This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
The transmission fluid should be drained immediately after the vehicle has been driven. Hot fluid is more effective than cold fluid at removing built-up sediment. After the vehicle has been driven, to warm up the fluid, raise it and place it on jack stands. While being careful not to touch any of the hot exhaust components, place a drain pan under the drain plug. Then remove the drain plug. Give the fluid time to drain completely. Install the drain plug and tighten it to a torque of 65 inch-pounds. Safely raise, remove the jack stands, then lower the vehicle. Warning: it's important not to overfill the transmission. Add new fluid to the transmission through the dipstick tube. Use a funnel to prevent spills. It is best to add a little fluid at a time, continually checking the level with a dipstick. Start the engine and shift into all positions from park through low gear, then shift to neutral and apply the parking brake. With the engine idling, check the fluid level. Add fluid up to the cool or lower level mark on the dipstick. Drive the vehicle to warm up the transaxle to normal operating temperature, then recheck the fluid level.